How to find your Frontier Airlines travel credit number. Frontier travel credits are used to book flights and save money on future trips. So if we cannot find the travel credit number, we won't be able to use our credit before it expires. So let's find it quickly and correctly. One of the things we can do is we can open up our email inbox. So open up Gmail app for that. And you can look out for emails with subjects like travel credit issues, cancelled flight confirmation, Frontier voucher, etc. And you can also look out for travel credit number, voucher code, and credit code. That code is something we use during the checkout. And once you do so, what you can do is you can go to the Frontier Airlines website. You can directly go to Google for that and go to www.flyfrontier.com and hit enter. And if you're not logged in, you need to log in with your account. You can log in using your email or password. Now, once you do so, what you need to do is within this application right here, this website right here, you can go to check your travel credits. So you can go to my account option usually and go to the section where you need to enter up your credit number and balance, and there it will show you. You can just go over and check it out and enter your confirmation code, your last name, and then there look for credit details linked to that booking, and you can just go over and check it out. You may also look out for the menu option in the top left and tap on it, and when you do, you can find a section called my trips and travel info. You can tap on my trips, drop it down, and there look out for the booking history here, so you can look out for your check-in or your flight status. And for that, you need to be signed in, so you can just go over and open it up, and there just go ahead and enter up your necessary details, specifically for all your credit details linked to that booking, and make sure you're logged into the correct email. You can even just go over and contact the Frontier Airlines support for help. And remember that travel credits have an expiration date, so you can just go and check it out. And those numbers are required to check out and save the code in notes to avoid losing it. And that's it. And that's how we find our Frontier Airlines travel credit number. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.